Unvaccinated people are 10 times more likely to get COVID-19 than vaccinated people, and that's according to health experts.
And News Channel 3's Scott Sheehan spoke with an infectious disease specialist about that today. Scott.
So that 10 times greater number is based off of risk of circumstance, meaning right now Santa Barbara County is averaging 6 to 7 new cases per day. And health experts are saying that those unvaccinated are getting sick at a rate that we saw 3 months ago, where the county was averaging 60 to 70 new cases per day.
We've learned that people who are vaccinated are really well protected.
It's been 1 year since the first COVID-19 vaccines were administered in trials, and we're seeing the effects today.
These vaccines continue to show over and over again that for the vast majority of people, they're very, very safe.
As more people get vaccinated, health experts are starting to see a more noticeable trend between those who are vaccinated versus those who are not. And Cottage Health infectious disease specialist Dr. Lynn Fitzgibbon says those who are not vaccinated are getting sick at a rate the community was 3 or 4 months ago, when cases were 10 to 40 times higher.
Those who are unvaccinated are going to continue to have some risk of developing severe disease or worse, in hospitalization. And those who are vaccinated are simply going to be better protected and moving forward.
Public health records show more than 44% of Santa Barbara County is fully vaccinated, and more than half of those who are eligible. With vaccine doses available, getting sick is avoidable.
Even if we have a low case rate, the one individual that ends up in the hospital in the ICU and having a horrible outcome is still a tragic event that is completely preventable.
Santa Barbara County Public Health Officer Dr. Henny Nonzorg says just because we're reopening more or mask mandates aren't needed as much doesn't mean the virus is gone. And if we don't reach herd immunity from getting vaccinated, we risk the possibility of another shutdown. Dr. Henny Nonzorg added that of the 250,000 people in Santa Barbara County who have had at least one dose of the vaccine, only 3 or 4 have ended up in the hospital, and of those, none in the ICU, and all of them have recovered. Reporting live in Santa Barbara County, I'm News Channel reporter Scott Sheehan.